Hi, my name is Ahmad, and today I'll be demonstrating Station Y 8th grade science experiment called Soaps and Water. The objective for today is to measure the density of two different soap bars by calculating the volume and the mass in grams, the volume in centimeters, using the three dimensions, height, width, and length. And then after that, I'm gonna predict whether it would float or sink, and then I will measure. How about we just check out the material? So, I have soap bar A in the bag. I have soap bar B. I will put that in the bag. I have a cup of water. Something to measure. I know how much it weighs. I have a rubber ball and a styrofoam ball. Okay, I have a ruler in centimeters on this side. I have a phone to use for a calculator. I have a pen to record over here. I have a 100-gram weight when I use my balance scale. I have a big pool of water for fun experimenting, and an electric scale to make sure my measurements are accurate. Okay, so let's begin with measuring the mass on the scale. So clearly, these two. So what I did, I know these are roughly about 5.5 grams, and I have 10 of them. Three, four, still unbalanced. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's getting closer, but still, this is more down. And what I have are these balls, which is roughly 1.5 grams. Now, I'm gonna dump them at like rates of 5 or 10. So it makes a difference. Still. Okay, we got in there. Okay, so what I put in there is roughly 90 grams on this side, and it looks pretty balanced, so I'm gonna say it's 90 grams. I might be off. We could check it on the digital scale. So we have here the digital scale. I don't know if you can see it. Would you look at that? 91.58. So that means I was just off by 1.58. I'm gonna go ahead and use this instead. But it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too off. Okay, so I know soap bar A is 91.6 grams, and when I measured the length and the width and the height, I got 2 centimeters of height when I was on sideways. The length is 9 centimeters and the width is 4.5 centimeters. And when I multiply these, I get 81 centimeters to the power of 3. Okay, that means the density will be equal to 91.6 divided by 81 point. 91.6 divided by 81. If I use my calculator, divided by 81. It's gonna be 1.13. So I think this bar soap, since the density of this bar soap is over 1, that means I predict that it would sink. Okay. So before I end this video, I do want to jump into another experiment real quick, which is to test out whether these balls would float or sink. So I'm going to test the rubber ball, which I think would float because it has air inside and the water can't penetrate the rubber. And so I'm correct. The light is reflecting, but you can see the ball is floating. Right here, the styrofoam, move this over. It's floating as well. When I push this down, it comes right back. See if I push this down, what happens. It will too. So both would float. But what's the difference? When I squeeze this, the water is just on it. The ball is wet. This ball actually soaks the water. And then dries up and does it again. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed.